jumtip nam tai khubor LAIT KAM HIKAI tiki don kumba arpho tali ki post HIKAI ki balai dengan pelik kum kane ka advertisement ka balai advertisement for vacant posts. Application in standard form are invited for filling up the vacancy of assistant lecturer in various subjects at upgraded higher secondary school and assistant teacher at RMSA secondary school under Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan. Kini ki school ki basu upgraded naga secondary shika higher secondary kabadai jongki RMSA within East Khasi Hill district on a contractual basis initially for a period of 1 year, and the contract may be extended subject to the receipt of funds from the Ministry of Education MOE. Requirement: candidate must be a citizen of India and the age should be between 18 years and 32 years as of 1/1/2023. There is a relaxation of 5 years of candidate belonging to the scheduled tribe, scheduled caste. The kamut kan long life news name nam taki scheduled tribe, scheduled caste tempat South Post name yagi balai HIKAI lupa haki government aided school. Te post ki balai kilong ka assistant lecturer katulop kadai live hui hajar sebenai. Te assistant lecturer in English don kam laingut LAIT lagi post assistant lecturer in MIL Khasi South lagi post assistant lecturer in history 1 post, assistant lecturer in political science 4 post, assistant lecturer in economics 2 post, assistant lecturer in education 3 post, assistant lecturer in geography 1 post, assistant lecturer in philosophy 1 post. Teka qualification nam tagine ade belong master degree in relevant subject. Master degree in relevant subject would be at from recognized university or its equivalent. Lane 2 years integrated MSc Ed course or an equivalent course with 2 years teaching experience. Would be given that master with B.Ed. Ane kibar dep ika integrated MSc education or an equivalent with 2 years teaching experience. Markane bre jongi assistant teacher long arp khnai hajar shibnai gatulop. Name of post assistant teacher in mathematics 1 post, bachelor of science with major in mathematics or bachelor of science PCM with B.Ed. Maka B.Ed dan kami on pass lara pikwa ban apply nam tag ini post. Candidate with certificate certified diploma in computer or knowledge or usage of ICT or teaching learning process, active involvement in sports, curricular activities, arts, craft, culture extra beside the above prescribed qualification will be an added advantage. Okay. Ki ba kwa ban apply tagine interested candidate are submit the application on or before 4 August. The last date kare South Tarik Jomna August are apply to the office of the on the sign room number 5A during the hours. Applicant must mention the contact number and email address in the application form. Photocopies of all mark sheet, pass certificate and experience certificate if any duly attached along with a photograph passport size may be submitted, or screening original documents should be produced during the interview for verification. No TADA will be paid. They have managed to meet Hakanik office, district school education officer and district project coordinator Samagra Shiksha Kabrepo East Khasi Hill Shillong DRT Compost Nong Rimau Lajum Kra Kanmau Mechanic Office Karanapo Nong Rimau Lajum Kra DRT Compost Nong Rimau Lajum Kra. Last date kedai South 3 August Arjar Fly. Thank you. Jumtip Kubleshbon.